Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use voice control in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to use voice control in iPhone, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down and click on voice control. Then enable voice control. Now, to use voice control, you can just go ahead, select your language. So here, I set my language to English. And again, click on command. Now, go ahead and set a custom command. Then create new command. Then enter a phrase. So select action. Under action, select insert text. Then text to be inserted. Click on return. Then hit the bar button. Then select application. So if you want to use a specific application, go ahead and select the application. Otherwise, hit the bar button and click on save. Now to now use the voice command, you can say open phone app. Open phone. You see that? Open WhatsApp. Open X. Open settings. Open photos. Open camera. Open Facebook. Open App Store. So you just need to get yourself familiar with using voice control on your iPhone, and that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.